Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable page view follow notifications on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable page view follow notification on Facebook, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper right corner. Click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. In left pane, scroll down. Under preferences, you will find an option notifications. Click on notifications. Now scroll down again. Here you will find page you follow. Click on it and an option allow notifications on Facebook. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And here push notification is turned on by default, and you can also turn on email notifications and SMS notifications also. This is the easiest way to turn on page you follow notifications on Facebook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.